In this video, you will learn how to add a locale to your Ubuntu server. A locale is a set of settings that defines the language and regional settings for your system. This includes things like the language, time format, and number format. First, open your terminal and connect to your Ubuntu server. Now, check the currently installed locales by typing locale. This command shows a list of all available locales on your system. If the locale you want is not in the list, you need to generate it. To do that, run this command. Sudo dpkg-reconfigure locales, a menu will appear. Use the arrow keys to scroll and find the locale you want. Press the spacebar to select it, then press Enter. Next, you will be asked to choose a default locale. Pick the one you just selected and press Enter. The system will now generate the selected locale and apply the default. You should now see your new locale listed in the output. That's how you add and set a locale on an Ubuntu server. Thanks for watching.